Hey everybody, today we're in a Dodge Viper. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip mount number 855546. And before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see it here is this blue covering. Now you will want to peel that cover off before you attach the mount to the dash. And that tape is designed so if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second of all, you want to make sure you install the mount onto the dash before you attach anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. There are a couple seams we're going to be going into. The first is this one right here that's between these two dash panels. And the second is on this side, which is between this dash panel and the soft part of the dash here. So right down in there. Now, the first step, we're going to insert this angled edge of the mount into this seam, and we kind of want to line up the bottom of the mount with the very top of the radio here. So we're going to insert that, and then we just want to press it until it seats into that seam all the way. All right, there we go. And now we're going to come around to this side, and we're basically just going to press on the faceplate and this edge of the mount until it snaps into place around the back side of this hard part of the dash here. There we go. Once it's in place, you'll have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.